Hello, I wanted to do something a little different today, and I wanted to talk directly to you about this channel. So, there's some really cool stuff happening coming up. I have two new series that I'm going to test out and see if you, as the viewer, enjoy it. And I'll do two pilots of these different types of videos, and you'll tell me in the comments once they're up if you enjoy them. I'm going to try to do the first one in just a few days, so keep an eye out for that scheduled post, and then I'll do the next one a little bit later after that. And if they work out well, we'll do multiple ones in over the next few weeks and months. It'll be awesome. And if not, then all good. At least we experimented. I always talk about experimenting with your YouTube channel, with your business, with your membership, how to do all of that. The other thing I wanted to mention is that I am in Arlan's All Access every single day, working with some amazing founders, some amazing entrepreneurs, creatives, etc. And I want to make sure you know about it because it came to my attention that a lot of people do not know what Arlen's All Access is. And I talk about it so much that I didn't realize that was the case. So I want to tell you about that briefly. Arlen's All Access is my membership where I am teaching currently more than 400 people how to make $100,000 over a 12-month period, and we are having a great time. We're learning a ton. Are we getting right into action? People who are doing the best in the program are spending 1 to 2 months learning everything possible within the program, executing as quickly as possible, and then seeing those results, making a lot of money in some cases. In other cases, they're just having a great time starting their YouTube channels and getting things going. They're revitalizing their careers, they're revitalizing their work and their one person business, or they're adding people to their teams in a way that they never thought possible. And we're doing this very specifically with YouTube and memberships, the combination, or choosing one or the other to really dial in on. In fact, in Arlen's All Access, we call it majoring. Just like you can major in a topic and a subject at a university, you can major in YouTube or major in memberships, or you can do like a double major, which is really fun. So check it out. Definitely go to arlensallaccess.com or use the link that is in the description below. Go right into it. Join us. There are no contracts. I'm in there every single day. Because there are no contracts, that means that you can try it for 30 days if you'd like. And if you don't like it, you can simply cancel and you'll never be charged again. If you do like it, you're locking yourself into the best prices that'll ever be for this program. It is a steal right now. It's an absolute value and it will help you. So many people leave comments on this YouTube channel and they tell me, I'm struggling, I'm having a hard time starting, I don't know where to start, I don't know what to do, I don't have anybody who will help me. This is the help. This is the lowest amount I could possibly charge for something so valuable, and I have it here. I'm in there every single day helping. I just posted 3 times today, and it's not even 2 p.m. yet on the West Coast. It is really hopping in there. You get the help you need. We help you not get overwhelmed. And if you feel like, hey, it's going to be so much information, I don't know if I can do it, there is a step by step process that walks you through exactly how to do it. There are people in there who started, they didn't know anything about YouTube or memberships or a little bit about either, and they have made thousands and thousands of dollars. And this is something that you can get for just a few dollars per day. It's crazy. It's a crazy price. I have to tell you that. I also know that, for some people it is actually difficult to get. I used to be there. I was with you at that point. A few years ago, I was homeless. I was broke. But let me tell you something. If there was something like this when I was homeless and when I was broke, there was something like this that gave me every single step of the way, taught me how to do things with very little money needed, I would jump on it. You couldn't keep me from this program. So I built it with that in mind. I wanted it to be something that almost anybody could succeed with and take you there. If you are someone who wants even more hands on, you want it to be a little bit more customized, definitely more customized for you, and you want to do a little less work, you just want to know exactly what to do. You want somebody to hold your hand, you want someone to tell you, okay, do this, then do this, and we're going to come back and do another like a Zoom call and do this. I also have a program that's called Mastermind. If you go to arlansmastermind.com, ARLANS mastermind.com. That costs $5,000 per year. So that's for someone who is like, who has the ability to pay that and wants to kind of accelerate the work that they're doing. So there are people in that program who are making thousands of dollars too. But both programs, people are making money. Like it doesn't matter if you join the smaller program or the less expensive program or the more hands-on program, you're going to get everything you need, and it just goes right to the core of it. There are a lot of people in there who are doctors, who are therapists, coaches, people who work at retail, people who work at corporations, teachers, people who are like actors. There's some actors in there. There's all kinds of people in Arlen's All Access and in Mastermind, and it's just the best time I've had. I can't remember a time I've had a better time working with people, seeing those results every single day. I'm so excited about it. I just want to make sure you knew about it. I wanted to make sure you knew that this channel is about to go crazy. I'm about to give you. Now, I have been posting almost every day for like months, right? So there's so much in the archive, so much free value. If you can't join either of these programs right now because you can't afford it, go back and look at my videos. If you watch my videos, you'll be able to afford it, right? Because I'm teaching you step by step by step. It's really not about all of the information I'm giving in these programs. It's more about the groups that you're with, that building that network. That network is invaluable. Absolutely invaluable. Way people work together, the way they collaborate. I mean, if you're in Arlen's All Access right now, you want to leave a message, a comment, let them know what we're talking about because it's absolutely fantastic. I want you to join if you're not in it. And I want you to leave a comment to let me know that you watched this entire video. And I'm going to select one person who I'm going to give a free pass to Arlen's All Access to in the next 24 hours. But I'll do that just randomly throughout the year. I'll just give somebody a free pass. But I'm telling you, don't wait for that free pass. Just join. Just join. If you've been thinking about it, been on the fence, you've watched 5, 10, 15 of my videos, let me know how many videos you've watched of mine in the comments. But if you've watched these videos and you're like, oh, I should join that, this is the day to do it. I'm telling you, it is absolutely fantastic in there. And I have all this confidence because it's actually happening. It's working. The math is mathing in that program. And in Mastermind, we're just having the best time. So with your first million, this YouTube channel, when I release these two new series, oh, I'm excited about them. It's a big leap for me. Okay, it's a big leap for what I'm about to do, what I'm about to share with you all. But it's all in the purpose of bringing you value so that you can be one of the 1,000 people that I want to help make $1 million or more over the next decade. So, did you know about that? Let me know in the comments if you knew that that was my mission. I have a mission that I started at the beginning of 2024 that I want to help 1 million, no, one more time. I want to help 1,000 people, 1,000 people I want to help make $1 million or more, and I want to track it. So I want to know about each person. So that's the major reason that I record all of these videos. Sometimes I record a video and it takes me like 2 or 3 hours to research it, to record, to upload it, to get the thumbnail. And then I'll do it for that day. And then the next day I do it right again, over and over and over and over and over again. And I hope that you're enjoying this. Let me know in the comments what videos, what takeaways you've had. I'm talking directly to you right now. I wanted to kind of break from our regular programming and talk directly to you because you are on the other side of this video. And that gives me so much joy to know that there are real people getting value out of this. Also, if you haven't joined yet, join my 30-day Write Your Own Headlines challenge. Just go and search for my name in 30-day challenge. You'll see it. You'll also see the playlist. You can go to my playlist for it. We are, what are we right now? Right this moment, we're at day 14, but there's 30 days of it. So when you see this, it might have already ended or it might have be a different day, but you can always start at day one and just follow along. I'll do live sessions with it. I've been doing Zoom sessions. We've been having an amazing time in those. It's completely free, but it'll get you right in 30 days. It'll get you set up. So the first week we do clarity, then we do confidence, second week, third week, capital, which is very cool because I've done this for 2,000 people in the past, and people make money during that week. And then we do challenge in week four, and we wrap things up. But it's getting really, really good, and I think it's been super helpful. So I'm excited about these videos coming up. I'm excited to see what you think of them. Please know that I look at every single comment. I look at every piece of data there is to look at. I know the retention. I know how long people are watching. I know what's resonating. I know that you are wanting more ways to make money because you want to have that autonomy, you want that freedom, you want the ability to take your family on a trip, to buy the car that you're looking at, to buy the house that you want, if that's what you're into, right? You want that freedom to make decisions for yourself. So that is my promise to you, is that I will continue creating content to help the most people possible reach those goals. As long as you make that promise back to me that you'll watch it, you'll share it, you'll make sure to subscribe. If someone doesn't know about this channel, you're going to reach out to them right now, send them this video or send them another video that you have found valuable, and you're going to say subscribe. So in the comments, if you made it this far, 10% to 20% of you have made it this far. If you're in that group, say subscribe and let me know if you are ready for what is about to come. Thank you so much.